Ever handed your phone to a friend or family member and had that mini heart attack? You know that moment where you wonder, did I remember to hide that photo? Well, what if I told you that your iPhone's hidden album isn't really hidden at all? Anyone can just tap on it and see what's inside. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a super simple trick to actually lock that hidden album with a passcode or Face ID, so your secrets stay truly a secret. First, let's cover the basics. To hide a photo, just tap on it, hit the three dots, select hide, and confirm hide photo. Easy enough, right? And if you scroll to the bottom of your Photos app, you'll see a new folder called Hidden. You can tap on it and there are your photos. But here's the catch. Anyone who picks up your iPhone can do the exact same thing. That's not much of a secret. So how do we fix this? We're going to dive into your settings to add a layer of security that Apple doesn't make obvious. Open your settings app. Scroll down and tap on apps. And now look for photos. Tap on that. Inside the photo settings, scroll down a bit and you'll see a toggle for use Face ID. You see I already have it enabled, but if you don't, please toggle it to on. Now when you go back to your Photos app and try to open that hidden album, you'll be greeted with a request for your Face ID or passcode. Your photos are now truly locked down and safe for prying eyes. I know what some of you might be thinking, I don't have that use Face ID option. If that's you, here's why and what to do. Go back to the main settings menu. Tap on Face ID and passcode. You need to have a passcode and/or a Face ID set up for your phone itself. This feature piggybacks on your phone's main security. You can't create a separate new passcode just for your photos. It has to be the one you use to unlock your device. Did you know you can make the hidden album disappear completely from your Photos app? So if you go back to the Photos app, and right here you have a toggle to actually hide the hidden album. If you turn this off, the entire album vanishes. It's the ultimate stealth mode. So there you have it. Your hidden photos are now truly securely hidden. No more anxiety when you hand your phone over. If you want to be sure Safari is clear of anything you don't want others to see, check out this video on how to clear the history, cache, and cookies from Safari on iPhone.